Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo, good luck na parating sa inyo ngayong Jupiter in Gemini transit. So ito ay isang taon na transit, no? From May 2024 hanggang June 2025. Okay? So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo magpa-book for a private reading. So, maaring mas mag-resonate ito sa mga Libra rising. So, if you are a Libra rising, this reading is for you. Pero pwede rin naman kayong mag-resonate kung ito ay inyong Libra sun or Libra moon. Okay? So, for you, Libra, Jupiter, the planet of abundance, good luck, prosperity, expansion, ay nasa inyong 9th house. Wow. So, I'm seeing travel opportunities for you. Foreign travel. Yung iba, kung meron kayong balak na mag-abroad, ayan, or mag-asikaso ng mga passport nyo, especially abroad to na travel, international travel. So, maaring you will be more blessed sa mga travel opportunities, especially abroad. Maaring yung iba, papadala ng inyong company sa ibang bansa para mag-training, mag-benchmark, umattend ng seminar, convention, ayan. So, yung iba naman, this can mean a higher education, pwedeng gusto nyo mag-aral, no? Diba, uso rin ngayon yung nag-a-apply ng student visa, tapos nagtatrabaho sila dun sa country na yun at the same time nag-aaral din sila, no? So, pwedeng yun yung isa sa magiging plans ninyo or pagkakataon, opportunity ninyo. Some of you, spiritual quests. Yung iba, mas magiging connected kayo sa inyong spirituality, maaring may magbabago sa inyong belief system, yung mga paniniwala nyo, pwedeng may pagbabago ng religion, or mag-explore kayo sa spirituality. Like, for example, you will try learning more about tarot or astrology or the occult or, yung mga belief systems na nakaka-resonate ka. So, meron tong trine sa Pluto, which is in your 5th house. So, I think mas magiging experimental ka when it comes to dating, relationships, no? Pwedeng meron kang makilala sa pagta-travel mo, no? Na can be a foreigner na romantic partner or pwede rin namang hindi foreigner, no? Pwedeng kapareho mo ng culture, ng upbringing. But this may lead you to a relationship, no? Dating. But I feel like hindi siya ganun kaseryoso. Although meron siyang potential na maging seryoso in the future, but for some of you, ito yung parang yung summer fling, ganun. Kahit hindi summer, no? But it's like, let's say, nag-travel ka sa isang bansa, tapos nag-stay ka dyan for a month, and then may nakilala ka, may nakadate ka, ganun, no? So, nasa sa inyo na kung i-explore nyo yun in the future. Some of you, 5th house kasi is also about your creativity. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na creative pursuits related sa iyong knowledge, sa iyong skills, sa iyong kaalaman. Pwedeng magme-mentor ka or magtuturo ka, you will teach others kung paano rin nila ma-improve yung sarili nila or i-share mo yung knowledge and skills mo sa iba to help them. Okay? Some of you naman, 5th house is also about children. So, kung meron ka ng anak, maaring may pagkakataon kayong makapag-travel with your children, especially abroad, no? Travel abroad. Ngayong cycle na to, May 2024 to June 2025. So, this will really bring you closer together, no? Kung meron ka ng anak. But some of you, ang nakikita ko rito is inspiration. You will feel more inspired to be more creative. Maaring meron kang self-discovery. Di-discover mo yung mga talents and skills mo na, uy, magaling ka pala sa ganitong bagay. Kasi for example, no, yung halimbawa, yung mga bata na hindi sila naging na-expose sa mga musical instruments. How would they know na meron silang talento sa pag play ng piano, ng guitar kung hindi sila na-expose sa musical instruments? So it's about you exposing yourself dito sa mga tools na to para ma-explore, para not just explore it, to know your talents and your skills. Or to discover your talents and skills. So, for example, golf. Magaling ka palang mag-golf, hindi mo lang alam. Kasi hindi ka na-expose sa pag-play ng golf. So, it's about you na exploring ang isang interest na pwedeng maging career mo in the future. Let's see what else. You have the 9 of Wands. This is strength, lakas ng loob. It can be challenging for you. Meron mang challenges na dumating sa'yo, pero you have the strength that you need. Ace of Pentacles. New opportunities, may new beginnings for you. I feel like this is a new source of happiness. Pwedeng may potential romantic connection. Ayun yung tipong crush, tapos you will go out with this person, and who knows now, ma-develop to into a serious connection. Yung iba naman, like what I mentioned kanina, meron kang project na sisimulan na related sa iyong mga talento, sa iyong skill set. Pwedeng halimbawa, interesado ka sa public speaking. You like to connect with a lot of people, sharing your thoughts, your talents, your abilities. So, pwede mong magawa yan through social media, content creation, YouTube, diba? You have the 8 of Pentacles. Yes. Going to be mastering a craft. Meron ka i-master na interest mo. Na talagang doon ka tututok. So, pag talagang tinutukan mo yan, then definitely you will be the best version of yourself. You have Virgo energy, which is the Hermit. This is self-reflection. I think darating yung time na marirealize mo kung masaya ka ba sa estado mo sa buhay, sa situation mo. It doesn't have to be yung yung financial situation mo. It's about kung masaya ka ba. Kasi pwedeng marami kang pera pero hindi ka masaya, hindi ka fulfilled, you know? So I think yan yung i-explore mo ngayon, yung fulfillment, self-fulfillment. Grabe 3 aces. Wow. Nasa iyo ang mga alas, Libra. Definitely new beginnings, new opportunities. The Ace of Swords is about a new idea. So maaring meron kang bagong creative idea. This is your energy. Ooh, Justice card. Balance. Bringing balance into your life. Maaring kung hindi ka masyadong nagbigay ng attention sa sarili mo nung mga nakaraan, ngayon, you will focus on improving yourself. Yes. Uy. Yes. Feeling ko meron talagang potential itong romantic connection na may experience mo. Especially if you're single, okay? Oo, meron siyang potential na maging seryosong relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, papasok kayo sa isang kontrata. This can be a contract sa work, sa trabaho. You have the 5 of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong maaring may bibilhin kayong properties. But be careful, no, sa ibang mga makaka-deal ninyo. Maaring meron kayong maka-deal na merong hindi magandang intentions towards the transaction or towards the connection mo with this person. You have the Emperor, so maging stricto. So I think you're going to be more vigilant, no? Magiging maingat ka sa mga transactions na papasukin mo. Hindi lang yung tipong dahil masaya, dahil parang exciting, susubukan mo na. Nandun pa rin yung ano, ito, energy nyo na decision making, pagbabalanse, no? Seeing the pros and the cons ng mga papasukin nyo. It can be a business or a transaction or a contract. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.